marketing leaders are increasingly being held accountable for revenue. Your CEO is asking, how is marketing driving sales and helping to close deals? According to Forrester, 94% of marketers can't tie content directly to sales execution, making it nearly impossible to measure their content's impact. At the beginning of the buyer's journey, marketers excel at delivering the right content to the right target. But you lose all visibility once opportunities are handed off to sales reps, while your buyers expect the conversation to remain relevant and personalized. Your sellers are unsure how to approach them. Sales reps often start entirely new conversations, causing confusion and frustration. Unable to find the right material, reps ask your team to create more content, or worse, create it themselves. Not only does this waste time and resources, but the sales conversation suffers. The opportunity you so carefully identified and cultivated now hears an impersonal message, stalling or even losing the sale altogether. With enterprise intelligence and the right insights, you can recommend the right content to use, reducing time and money spent. This will allow you to create a seamless conversation with your buyers, resulting in an accelerated sales cycle and more wins for your company. And that is the value of sales enablement.